gotta see the finale.
One more time. Come on, Tree, hurry up. Finale. Come on, Tree.
What am I doing?
The finale.
The finale?
Yes.
Oh my.
Hurry, go.
Oh boy.
That big thud.
I can't breathe.
Why are you just on my head with your computer?
Well, I fell and they thought it was funny, so they kept telling me to do it again and again and again and again and again and again.
Why are you stupid doing it?
See, Red?
Yes. Why are you doing it again and again and again and again and again?
Well, they're laughing.
Because she's Katrina.
What did she say?
Because she's Katrina.
Are you still recording?
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
It's funny.
So she can put it on YouTube.